Hi, ARK fans. Welcome to ARK Invest Daily, your daily dose of ARK information. Today is May 24th, and it was a net positive day, very green day for ARK. Stock market value overall for all funds combined ticking upwards, almost 3%. And all of these stocks got some boost. They added shares for all of these stocks pretty much. Bitcoin, especially, Tesla, especially, and then all of these as well, the favorite companies of so many people, DraftKings, SKILLZ, Palantir, and Nano Dimension also popped up. For Nano Dimension also, but a very small position they added, but they still added. It's a net positive there. And then also they added two new companies and removed one company completely. So stay with me to find out more about it. Please like and subscribe, and I'll feature all these on the other side. Thank you so much. Uh, Welcome back, guys. In ARK summary section, we always keep an eye on market value, which I just said is up by 2.7%, almost 3%, from 41 billion yesterday going up to 42.1 billion. So trend has started going up. So let's not jinx it. Hopefully it keeps going up. And then let's take a look at the total number of companies they're invested in is 269 today, which is one up from yesterday. What that means is it doesn't really mean just one company added. It means one company removed and two company added today. So hence a net positive of one. So we'll take a look at which company in just a bit. But before that, let's go over to the biggest moves. So a lot of green today, guys. Very positive day, very less red. So the first chart is the number of shares added, and this is the market value that that adding these shares or the stock price change caused. For these companies. So the filter today we have is very small, just because I wanted some of the companies to pop up as well. If there is any trading that happened, will pop up here, but it should make at least a difference of, oh well, let's increase this to maybe at least 4 million. So the difference should be more than 4 million, and then any trading happened on that company, if they added shares or removed shares, will pop up on this chart. So all these companies fit that criteria, and this is their ranking in 269 companies that they're invested in. So Twitter topping the charts for total number of shares added, almost 800,000 shares, 8% extra from what they already had, making a difference of 71.3 million. So as I hover over it, you'll see more information that it is present in two ETFs. You'll see a trend of shares, how they have been adding more and more, Twitter, with small trimmings in between, and the stock price has started moving back up as well. Grayscale Bitcoin, again another one where today they went all in, looks like. Not all in obviously, but they added a lot of money there. In past they have been reducing it, so today they added 7.7% extra, almost not almost, but 533,000 shares, 500,000 there, making a difference of 38.5 million. Then third biggest is DraftKings in number of shares. DKNG, many people's favorite, ranked 20th there in overall portfolio of 269, making a difference of $45.2 million there. Then we have Iridium, CRISPR Therapeutics. I'll go over these very quickly so you can pause and take a look at it. But then we will sort this chart and go over the biggest moves for market values, because that's what truly biggest moves would be. Unity, Roku, then you have Zoom, Palantir, 191,000 shares, almost 200,000 shares added, making a difference of 17 million there. Spotify, DocuSign, Tesla, Teledyne, SKILLZ, 1%, 141,000 shares added there, 28.4 million difference. Coinbase, again, 27,000 shares added there, making a difference of 10 million. Stock price continues to go down in this case, and they continue to buy the dip there. Shopify, Zillow, Square, KE Holdings. So those were the biggest in terms of shares count. Let's take a look at the biggest in terms of negative shares, the ones that they sold. Guardian Health, 43% gone. Autodesk, 28% gone. Charles Schwab's, 9% gone. Intercontinental Exchange, 8% gone. Pure Storage, 6% gone. So those were the biggest in terms of negative ones. Now let's sort this chart quickly and take a look at biggest moves by market value. So the truly biggest move is Tesla, 143.5 million extra, making a difference of that much $1 million. It's a combined effect of them buying 1% shares and the stock price ticking upwards too. Keep in mind, there are some big names shorting this company right now for short term. So you'll find that on many of the YouTube channels, and it was in the news recently as well. Michael Burry is the name, I think, the guy who predicted real estate market drop back in 2007 timeframe, 2006 timeframe, has shorted Tesla for short term, is what we hear. So, but it has gone up, stock price has gone up, and ARK has invested big time in it. So then followed by Square, followed by Roku, all their biggest companies, biggest investments, they've added more shares, and the stock price also ticking upwards. So combined effect, taking the overall picture high up. Shopify, DraftKings, UiPath, the only company present in 6 ETFs. So they keep buying that more and more. Grayscale Bitcoin, Tivilio, 10x Genomics, Unity Software, Zillow, Exact Sciences, SKILLZ, that we already went over. Spotify, C, Zoom Video, Invite, Twist Biosciences, Palantir, many people's favorite there, taking back upwards both stock price and their position. Surdex, Beam Therapeutics, Teradyne, KE Holding, Coinbase, Snap, DocuSign also taking upwards. So that's great. Now let's take a look at the negative ones. Actually, one thing that we want to also show is Nano Dimensions, present in 4 different ETFs. 1, 2, 3, 4, yeah, 4 ETFs, and stock price ticking upwards compared to yesterday. And they're buying just a little bit more shares, just 40,000 more shares there, 4.3 million extra there. So that's the biggest moves. Let's see how the portfolio looks. Very green on ARK, and rest of them are a mixed bag. Then let's take a look at the new and removed companies. So Lending Tree is completely removed, guys, and the new companies are JD Logistics and Dicerna Pharmaceuticals. JD Logistics is in ARKX, Dicerna Pharmaceuticals is in RG. Then there are 2 companies that are already they have already been there in ARK, but other funds. Today, Woozy is added to ARKW. It was never there in ARKW, and Unity Software added to ARKX, which was never there in ARKX in past. So those are the new companies. 2 of them are not net new. These 2 are completely new, looks like. And then you have one company completely removed, which is Lending Tree. So that was your daily dose, guys. So please like and subscribe. So I keep bringing you this data analysis on daily basis, weekly, monthly basis. And I'll also do quarterly basis probably if something fun comes out of the data. I've been recording data for quite some time. This is the only YouTube channel where you'll get all that. We wait for the complete data to be uploaded on their website, and not like other YouTubers where they just show you the email. You can just go to their website and subscribe for the emails. You get that email, and they just show that email. In that email, you can also download and take a look at the Excel. But the point is, in that email, they clearly say that it is not a complete list of all the trades. So this is the only channel where you get complete list of trades, and hence I'm able to do things like weekly, monthly, quarterly updates, and also show you new companies, old company, or removed companies as well, because I do a diff from yesterday. So please like and subscribe, guys. I'll keep bringing you this awesome content, and that's all. I'll see you tomorrow. Thank you so much.